Hello you guys, I am back and I just got back from vacation, if you didn't know, and I was gone for 15 days and this is what I came back to. I literally have so many packages, literally the Leaning Tower of packages. So today this video is going to be us opening all these packages. So it's probably going to be a long video because just how many there are, but I promise you're going to want to stick around because I definitely got some really good stuff that you'll want to see. So make sure you grab a snack, grab a drink, and let's open some packages. So just as another side note, all these packages, I didn't order any of them. They were all sent to me from brands. So all this stuff was absolutely free to me. So that's exciting, obviously. I've never gotten this many packages before. So I'm really excited to get them opened. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna start right off the top here and see what we got. I know what this is, and one of the items I can't show to you yet because these are brand new, just launching, and one item has not launched yet, so that one I can't show you unfortunately, but the rest I will show you. Okay, so this is what is in the first package. This is from the brand Touch and Soul. So I was recently added to their brand ambassador program, so go me. This is just some new products launching from them, and first up we have all of these vegan, again, juicy glossy lip tints, and I got 6 of those here. So here are all the different shades. You can get a closer look. This is what they look like. So I'm definitely gonna do a video swatching all of these, so I'm super excited to try. So also of the things I can show you, they just launched these lip plumping masks as well. So that is everything that I got. I have another package somewhere here. Well, there will be a lot more to look at, but I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little sneak peek, don't tell anybody, of the new product launching in July. And this is just a sample. That's what it is. I don't know if you guys will be able to guess from that, but in July I can announce what that new product. Okay, so this next package I've actually opened already because they're nails and I am wearing a set already right here, and I was dying to wear them, especially before Pride Month was over. So this package is from the brand Press Lab Co, and they are a press-on nail company. So I got 3 sets of nails, but I also got these 2 other sets, which are also equally as fucking cute. I absolutely love them. I cannot wait to wear this pink set here. So definitely go and check out Press Lab Co if you need some nails. Uh-oh, my wall is falling. Anyways, next package here. I'm not sure who this one's from. Let's get her open. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm super excited about this. So the next product I got is from Huda Beauty. Like, are you serious? This is the Faux Filter Color Corrector. Pink Pomelo. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this. I've never seen these before. I think they might be new. I haven't gotten a Huda Beauty product in a long time. Alright, it's hard to open. I'll probably do a separate video on some of these things, including this, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. Alright, on to the next package here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh, from Living Proof, they sent me the full volume root lifting spray and the Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. Alright, next package. I am not sure who this one is from. Let's open her up. Oh, this is from the brand Ruby Kisses. I got some little makeup brushes, cute. This is all bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, I got these highlighter drops. Ew, why did my voice do that? Highlighter drops, I'll say it normally. They're super pretty. And then I also got from them some eyeliner pens, it looks like. Yes. These are the colors, super cute. And then last but not least, they sent me this super cute Ruby Kisses Candy Pop eyeshadow palette. Alright, next package is from the TikTok shop, which I have absolutely no idea what I got from there because I didn't order anything. So let's find out. How do I open this? There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm in the TikTok shop affiliate program, and it looks like they sent me a box of their bestseller samples. Okay, so they sent me the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, which I've really been wanting to try that. They sent, ooh, I've been wanting to try this too, the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. I've heard really good things about this. They sent me, oh my gosh, some Olaplex, which I just got a different one of these. I think I got number 8. This is number 3. I got number 8 in my FabFitFun box for this month. So I'm definitely gonna have some nice hair. Ooh, I've heard really good things about this too. I've been wanting to try this also. The Tower 28 setting spray. I think that, yeah, that's what it is, setting spray. I've heard good things about this. And last but not least, I've been wanting this too. It's like, I swear TikTok shop just like knows me. But this is the Youthforia color changing blush oil. So this package actually is one of all of these packages that I actually did order. I forgot about this. This is also from the TikTok shop. So I'm sure if you are in the makeup community or just on TikTok, you've seen this powder. This is like the translucent white powder. I'm super excited to try this. I got this Pearl Gone Wild heart highlighter. It's like a little heart highlighter. So this is what the little heart highlighter looks like. It's so cute. I don't know if you guys can really see how pretty it actually is. Okay, and then I also got the heart blush. It's called Thaler Blush. Alright, here's what the blush looks like. You can see it has like 2 sides, like a darker pink and a lighter pink. Love that. Can't wait to try her out too. Here's another one from the TikTok shop while we're at it. And this one was sent to me from a company as like a sample to try out and like promote for them. And these are super cute. They sent me these lashes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that they're from the shop called A Life. And I really like these because I feel like they look a lot like lash extensions. Like, I don't know, I really like them. They're super cute. So I'm excited to try these also. Alright, next package. I'm not sure who this is from either. Let's find out together. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Full Cover Concealer. I'm so excited that they sent me this. Like, it's such a big brand. Like, thinking that they sent me a product is just amazing, and I'm throwing it. Awesome. I can't wait to try this. Super cute. So thank you so much, Bobbi Brown. Send me more, please. Okay, so the next package is from a shop on TikTok, which I promoted for them like last month. They're so sweet. I had no idea that they were sending me more stuff, so this is like such a nice surprise. But they sent me this makeup brush cleaning set from Docolor, which has a cleaning sponge and cleaning soap. I definitely need that with all the brushes I have to clean. And they sent me these cute little earrings. So they have like a shop on TikTok that has all kinds of stuff, makeup and everything, but these are so cute. I seen these on TikTok and I wanted them so bad. They're so cute. They are called Cheese, and they're makeup cleansing creams. They're like little, I don't even know, I think they're like little like cheeses, and you take them out and it like takes off your makeup. I cannot wait to try these. It's like literally so cute. I love stuff like this. So thank you so much. I will put their TikTok shop name in like the caption because I honestly don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Wow, but they have really amazing stuff, so you guys should really go check them out. And I'm gonna do one more package. I think we're about halfway through, and this is a lot of package opening, and my room is a disaster right now, so let's do one more, and then obviously the video will just continue for you guys, but I will probably look different, so because it's gonna be on a different day, maybe tomorrow. So let's open this one last package, and then not really, because you guys are gonna keep watching. Don't stop watching. I need that watch time. So this next package is from Lancome. They have been like consistently sending me packages now, which like not many brands, like some brands like send me stuff, but Lancome has sent me like a few different packages now, so I am like super grateful from them. So let's see what we got this time. Ooh, it looks like I got their concealer. Okay, so they actually sent 3 concealers, it looks like. So it looks like they have, like, you get a different shade of concealer, if I can get it out, depending on what you plan to do with it, because it says highlight, correct, and contour. So we have one for each shade for that. So I got 3 concealers from them for highlight, correcting, and contouring. So thank you so much, Lancome. I really appreciate you sending me packages, and please don't ever stop. So anyways, guys, that is about halfway through all the packages of stuff I got. Keep watching the video. Hello, you guys. I am now back. Not really, because this is on the same video from last time we were opening packages, but it is now a week into the future for me. I got kind of lazy, haven't been doing the video. This first package I'm opening is from the brand called Honey Skin. Alright, we have a honey scrub, softening, moisturizing, cleansing, gentle for sensitive skin. So I guess it's like a body scrub. ASMR moment. Alright, we got our next package, and it is from the company called Bloom, I guess. It says Bloom Hair Growth Serum. So, as it says, I guess it's a hair growth serum. Okay, so here's the inside. It says, get ready to bloom your hair. It's got some little cards in here, and here's the product. Okay, next package. This one came from Amazon. I'm also kind of speed running this because I have a few packages that have a lot of stuff in it, so we're just gonna get through these ones quick. This is a Felix Professional Makeup Brush Cleanser. It's actually smaller than I thought, but there's a cleaning tin at the bottom here it comes with. Apparently you can get it on Amazon. There's nothing here. I'm not sure what this is for. Okay, so this next package I'm actually super excited about. This is from Spa Sciences. It's called the Lexi, and it is a permanent hair removal system. So it has intense pulse light to like zap your like hair follicles to permanently get rid of hair. So I'm super excited to try this and see how it works. It looks super nice. Here's the device itself. And also in here it came with this Spa Sciences retinol serum for sensitive skin, so like some skincare to try out. Okay, so this next package I've actually already opened, but pretty much a shop like on TikTok, a TikTok shop seller sent this to me, and I have zero clue what these are, so I'm hoping you guys maybe can help me figure it out. But I got this bag that comes with a bunch of different sizes and colors of these little things here. It's like, I have absolutely no idea what the heck these things are. I believe it's for like some type of food. I have one in like every color and size that you can imagine. A whole bunch of them. And it also came with this cup. And I absolutely love this cup. I'm using it for my water right now. It's like a dupe of the Stanley. Alright, like I said, we are speed running this. So on to the next thing. Okay, so I got it open, and the next package is from the brand called Hear Me Raw. And they sent me this, the hydrator with prickly pear 3-in-1 day, night, overnight treatment. I think it's a moisturizer. It's like some type of skincare moisturizer. It's really big. And then they also sent some samples here of, let's take some face masks, it looks like. There's charcoal, the brightener, the clarifier. So excited to try these out. Okay, next package I was sent from the brand Oomph Sweets, I believe it's called. Yeah, Oomph. And they sent me these cherry gummies. They sent me 4 bags of them, and these are like sugar, well, not sugar free, but like low sugar, low carb, only 2 net carbs. They have apple cider vinegar, and they are keto approved, which I usually am on the keto diet. Since I've been on my vacation, I've been slacking. I'm super excited to try these. They look really good. And it is super hard to find like a good candy when you're on keto. Like there's a lot of good replacements for things, but candy's not one of them, so I'm super excited to try this. Okay, next package is from the brand Paint Lab, and these are press-on nails, and they sent me 3 pairs. I got this one. It's kind of hard to see with the ring light reflection. This one I absolutely love. Cannot wait to try those out. And then also some little butterflies. Okay, so next thing I was sent this huge box of stuff from doTERRA. So the first thing that they sent in the box is this MetaPower metabolic system. And so it has stuff like, I'm not sure on everything, but some metabolic soft gels. I know this is like some, yeah, I don't know how to say this word. Here, you guys can read it. It's like gum that makes you like feel like less hungry, like fills you up more often. So all of these are like the metabolic, like in different versions, beadlets, oil. Okay, so there's more. They were super generous. They literally sent me like hundreds of dollars. Like this stuff is not cheap at all. And they sent me a lot. So next they sent me this oil diffuser. So it like you put the oils in and like diffuse the scents in your house. There's also like a skincare system. I didn't even know doTERRA made skincare, but it's a facial system, refining polish, and peptide activator. So thank you so much. Okay, so next I have another box sent to me from TikTok shop, and They're just like some kind of like random things. I got this longwear eyebrow raincoat, which don't ask me what an eyebrow raincoat is because I have absolutely no idea, but I guess I'm gonna find out. They sent me this cute little heart necklace, and all of these are like stuff like from TikTok shop you can get. Oh yeah, I seen this actually on TikTok. It's a like ball, like puff of like highlighter, so it's like a shimmer that you can like put all over your body. Okay, so the next thing that they sent is actually another makeup brush set. This is from Docolor, and it's called the Dream of Color 15-piece makeup brush set. Okay, then this is also from the same people. They sent this Silky Cocoon Home Aesthetic eye patch. Okay, so next package is from a brand called Isopia. Okay, so they sent me 3 pairs of lashes. They sent me some lash glue. This, I honestly am not sure what it is. It says Gentle Clip Set and Done Rapid Wear. I honestly don't know what this is, so I'm gonna have to investigate. And then a super cute little rechargeable compact mirror, and it has like a LED light in it. Love that, it's so cute. I can't wait to try these out. Okay, next package is from the brand called, what is it called? I'm not sure. I thought I knew. I think it's Exogena? I don't know. Let me just find out before I start saying stuff. I don't know. Let's see here. Yes, I was correct. The brand is Exogena. And I got a bunch of lipsticks. Look at all these. Oh, I'm dropping everything. So here's a little flyer for it. Ooh, this is cute. Alright, this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty shade. It has like a little thing to push it up. I don't know why I'm going to smell it. Doesn't smell like anything. But when I tell you guys, I could not believe how much makeup they sent me. I freaked out. I am not even kidding. So they sent me the invoice for it, and all of this makeup was over $630. And I got it for free. So I was invited to be on the brand Touch in Soul's PR list and their like beauty ambassador program, and they sent me this. So it's a lot to go through, so let's just get started. So first of all, they sent me, I didn't even know that they made this, but apparently they do gel nails. So they sent me a gel nail lamp and some gel nails to put on. Where's the other one? There's another one here. Yeah, right here. So some gel nails and a lamp. They sent me a little travel kit. It's a lot in here, so I'm gonna go quick. Their eye primer. They send both their eyeliners, their Vegan Again liners, one in brown and one in black. So they sent their Vegan Again Collagen stick. I don't even know what that is. Their Icy Sherbet primer, which I have this primer already, and I love this primer. It's amazing. And then as well, they sent their Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm primer, which I really wanted to try, so I'm excited to try that. They sent, what is this? Waterful Glow Cream. I didn't even know they had skincare, but apparently they do. Stretch X Mascara. 2 different shades of their matte liquid lipstick. A little foiled eyeshadow. What else? All-in-one Beauty Aid Cream. I think maybe a moisturizer, I'm not sure. And last but not least, they sent me 3 of their No Problem primers. We have the regular redness covering, or we have the original, the redness covering, and the hybrid primer. So yeah, thank you so much to Touch in Soul for sending me this huge box of makeup. I literally was like in shock when I seen it. So yeah, that is the end of my unboxing, and thank you for coming to my TED Talk on why not to become an influencer. Obviously, I'm just kidding. Like, I can't even express how grateful I am to be able to get this amount of stuff, and obviously it would not be possible without you guys watching my videos. So I thank you guys so much, and I hope you liked the video. And I wanted to announce that I'm going to be doing a giveaway with some of the extra makeup I have. Obviously, it's way too much for one person, and I want to give back and share with you guys, so I'm going to be announcing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll let you guys know the details on that soon, so don't miss out. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, tell me what your favorite thing is out of everything I unboxed today, and I love you guys. See you in the next video.